If you're still sitting in 2026 wondering what kind of videos to create, something that's trending but has almost zero competition, then today's video is especially for you. If you start uploading this type of content, I'm telling you honestly, you can build a solid YouTube channel in 2026.
Just take a look at these channels. One of them uploaded only 69 videos and already has 466,000 subscribers. Now, you might be thinking, okay, maybe that one just got lucky. Fine, look at this second channel, only 48 videos and 33,000 subscribers. And here's another one, just 91 videos and 194,000 subscribers. And it's not just 2 or 3 channels. There are many channels growing by uploading this exact same type of content. Here's the interesting part. All of these channels are based in the USA. They create videos in English and primarily target a US audience. It means a heavy amount of money.
First, watch one example video so you clearly understand what kind of content they're actually making.
What would happen if you were raised on death row? Day 1, your father sits behind glass, hands chained, eyes soft. You're born while he waits to die. Visitation rooms become your playground. Guards become your uncles. Year 10, you finally understand. The number on his door isn't a room number, it's a countdown. Year 15, execution day. He walks in, shaved head, orange jumpsuit, hands
Now, if you're wondering whether this type of channel can even be monetized, just look for yourself.
They even have the join button enabled on their channel.
So now it should be completely clear to you. This type of content absolutely gets monetized. So let's stop making excuses and start building our own international level channel from today. First, we need a topic that instantly sparks curiosity, something that makes people think. For that, open the PDF file as shared on my Discord channel. From there, copy the full video topic prompt. Now open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and where it says fill in number, enter how many topics you want. I'll type 15 as an example. Hit send. As you can see, ChatGPT doesn't just generate topics, it also tells you the competition level and even suggests a hook for each one. If you don't like any of the 15 ideas, just type more and it will generate additional options. Personally, I really liked this one. What if you never drink water again? Copy the topic you like, and now let's turn it into a film. Next, we need a powerful script, but we're not writing it manually. If we were going to do all the hard work ourselves, what's the point of AI? Go back to the PDF and copy the master prompt script.
This is a very long script, so make sure to copy it till the end.
Open a new chat in ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and where it says insert the topic here, paste your chosen topic. Hit send. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a strong, well-structured script. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us 2 separate prompts, one for image generation and the other for video generation. So first, we'll use the image prompts to generate all our visuals, and once that's done, we'll move on to the video prompts to bring those images to life. To do this, simply copy the image prompt for scene 1. Then head over to gemini.google.com and open Google Gemini. Once you're inside, click on Create Image, the option with the banana icon. Here's something important. Make sure the Pro option is selected if you want the highest quality image output from these prompts. Now, paste the copied image prompt for scene 1 and hit send. Within seconds, Gemini will generate your cinematic skeleton scene. And just look at the result. The skeleton character is rendered with that translucent, glass-like skin effect. This is exactly the kind of visual that hooks viewers within the first 2 seconds. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for scene 2, paste it into Google Gemini, and hit send again. In seconds, your second scene is ready, crisp, cinematic, and with consistent character design. Now repeat the exact same process for scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, and scene 7. No guessing, no redesigning, no character inconsistency. As you can see, every single image maintains the same skeleton style, lighting, and emotional tone. That consistency is what makes your short feel professional instead of random.
Now comes the powerful part. We're going to turn these static images into viral video clips.
To do this, go to flow.google.com and open Google Flow. Once you're inside, create a new project and select Frames to Video. This step is very important. Make sure VO 3.1 Fast is selected because this model gives smoother motion and faster rendering. Next, upload your Scene 1 image into the first frame. After uploading, change the orientation to Portrait since we're creating YouTube Shorts. Once the image loads properly, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image to video prompt for Scene 1, paste it into Google Flow, and hit Send. Within seconds, your Scene 1 video clip is ready. Preview it and notice the subtle motion, gentle camera push, and natural movement. That's what transforms a simple AI image into a cinematic short. Now repeat the same process for Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, and the remaining scenes. In just minutes, all your animated clips will be ready. Before we edit everything together, let's remove the watermarks. And yes, we'll do it for free. Go to Google and search for V3 Watermark Remover. Open the first result. You don't even need to log in. Just upload your video clip, click Remove Watermark Now, and within seconds, the watermark will be gone. Repeat the same process for all your clips and you're ready for the final edit. Before we move to the next step, there's something very important you need to know. Sometimes VO3 automatically generates audio that doesn't sound good. It can even change a female voice into a male voice, or vice versa. To avoid this issue, we'll use a free text-to-speech tool instead. Go to Google AI Studio, click on Playground, and select Text-to-Speech. Then choose the voice you like. After that, paste your narration lines into the text box and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll have a clean, clear, and professional voiceover ready to use. Now that your clean audio and video clips are ready, open your favorite video editor and import everything. Place the clips on the timeline in the correct order, Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, all the way to the final scene. After that, drag the voiceover. Here's a small retention trick most beginners ignore. If you notice any silent gaps, dead frames, or slow moments, trim them immediately. Keep the pacing tight and engaging. I don't recommend adding flashy transitions, spinning zoom cuts, or heavy effects. Clean and simple works best. However, you should add a strong title at the beginning, something bold and curiosity-driven that instantly grabs attention. You can also add auto captions if you want to. Once everything looks smooth and polished, export your video in 2160 by 3840 4K vertical resolution and set the quality to high. Hit export, and that's it. Let's preview it.
If you never drank water again, your body panics. Within hours, your mouth dries and saliva disappears. Your blood thickens as plasma volume rapidly drops. Your kidneys strain, desperately conserving every remaining drop. Your brain shrinks slightly, triggering pounding headaches. Your organs begin shutting down without fluid balance. Without water, you quietly fade from inside out.
You've just created a fully animated, psychologically structured, high-retention AI skeleton short from scratch. No animation skills, no medical degree, no expensive production team, just a smart workflow using free AI tools. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.